Welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Amin, and in this video I'm going to explain you how you can get MailerLite SPF and DKIM configured and aligned. So please make sure that you have access to your MailerLite account, and we will go through to each other and configure the source, so moving forward your emails from MailerLite will pass DMARC with no issues. To begin, we need to click on the account settings. The next, in the just left bar you can choose the domains. Here we will see this domain added. So in case for you is empty, you need to click on the add domain, write down your email address and save. The first column will be the verification. So in your case, if it's not verified, there will be an email that will be sent to your inbox that you need to verify. Once it is done, the second column will be open for you, which is authentication. I will click on authenticate and go to the manual. The first step is you have to have access to your DNS zone. In my case, my DNS zone is Cloudflare, but I will show you the process in there. The first record is my CNAME record, and it's regarding the DKIM. I will copy the name, I will head back to my Cloudflare, add a new record, choose CNAME, paste the name, copy the value, add it here, and turn off the proxy. This must be done. We click on save and next record. So this is regarding your SPF record. I will copy the value only, click add record, txt, put @ and in case you're using and you're having already an SPF record, you don't need to create a new record. So in case you don't have, you will click on save, but if you already have, you will come across and find your SPF record. In my case, this is it. I will paste the value and click on save. Wonderful. Now, time to check. It may take some time, so based on your DNS propagation, this will take some time. As it's already mentioned here, it may take up to 24 hours. But mine just completed right now. So the remaining and the third column will be the alignment section, which is very important, and you need to create your custom domain. Here I will choose a subdomain. So I will just write MailerLite for an example. Once I have added that, there are 3 records that I need to add to my subdomain. So I will copy this, go back to my DNS zone. The A record is for the type, and here I will just paste the value, turn off the proxy, and for the name, I will write down only my subdomain name. Click on it. The next will be the MX record. Again, here I will choose MX. I will write the name MailerLite, or you need to write your subdomain name here. In the mail server, you need to paste the value given here. And the priority, you will choose 10. Click on save. The next will be the SPF record for your subdomain. So let's copy this, add record, txt, and here you must write down your subdomain. It is very important step. So just to make sure that I'm writing the correct word. Yeah. Alright. Here, what I can also suggest you, since they offer you with this symbol, we offer either dash. And this is for security reasons and improve the security of the SPF as well. So let's click on save and check the records. Alright. 2 of them are verified, so again, the SPF can take some time. Wonderful. Once you have seen this, you need to click on that to enable it. So I will confirm enable, and everything is fine. Now your 3 sections are verified and your MailerLite account is fully active, and you can send emails as long as you want, and everything will pass DMARC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good day.